Hi, my name's Joslyn, and I'm the Forestry Specialist Intern here at CI, and I'm about to tell you what exactly I did this summer and why I did those things. Here at CI, we have an abundance of different types of trees all across our landscape, whether that be in our woodlands, our wetlands, or even on our lawns. As a historical apple orchard, apple trees are everywhere around CI. On this apple tree right here behind me, I pruned off a lot of dead branches, epicormic sprouts, so that we can get beautiful apples just like these. Pruning trees not only helps visibility and aesthetic reasons that most people think of, but it helps stop the spread of disease and decay, improves air circulation within the trees, which reduces fungal infections. It encourages strong growth because it redirects all of the energy into the healthy branches in the tree. And it even promotes different flowers and fruit production. One of the first things I did here at CI was the basic maintenance of our lawn care trees and that we have around the property that visitors see every single day. Weeding around trees also prevents pest and disease issues. Weeds often can harbor a lot of insects and disease, which can further affect the development and establishment of our young trees. Here at CI, we use biodegradable wood chips from pre-chipped up trees as a eco-friendly mulch to put around our lawn plantings. Mulching generally helps with moisture retention, temperature control because of the intense heat and drought we get here at CI, and helps with weed suppression. Thanks to the Chesapeake Bay Foundation, CI is blessed to be able to plant new lawn plantings, aka our smaller trees, here around CI each year. Removing invasives helps protect our native species. Our native species are what fuel our environments and the habitats that they live in. Without our native species, we wouldn't have the ecosystems that we have today in our forest. It also increases biodiversity. Biodiversity is just the presence of multiple different species in an area. Invasive species often disrupt our food chains, our soil chemistry, our species balance, and even our water resources. Throughout my experience at CI, on multiple occasions, chainsaws were a necessary tool for removing invasives and other unnecessary vegetation. I want to extend a heartfelt thank you to Derek from Bartley Tree Experts for generously volunteering his time and expertise this summer. Their help in felling the large invasive ailanthus trees has made a huge difference. These trees aren't just fast-growing and destructive to our native ecosystems, they're also a preferred host for our spotted lanternfly, a serious invasive pest. By removing them, we're not only restoring the health of the sand landscape, but also cutting off a key breeding ground for a damaging insect.
Take your time, be sure of your plan, and take the extra time. If it doesn't look right, it probably isn't right.
When we cut down invasive honeysuckle, we're only doing half the job. These plants are incredibly persistent. If left untreated, the stumps quickly resprout, undoing all of our hard work. That's why we apply a herbicide directly to freshly cut stumps, as you can see here. It targets the root system, preventing regrowth and giving native plants a real chance to reclaim the space. It's a precise, responsible step that helps restore balance to the ecosystem. My summer internship is made possible by the Chesapeake Bay Foundation Tree Maintenance Grant. It was also made possible by the PHMC Grant, the Davis and Salford families, and from donations from people like you. Thank you. If you would like to become our next natural conservation intern here at CI, consider applying today. Head to www.cimlg.org for more details or contact them at www.cimlg.org. Thank you.